Will your belongings be safe when the big day arrives and everything you own is on the moving truck? Consider using professional packers to ensure the safety and security of your belongings as you get ready to make your next move. Professional packers have the valuable training and experience necessary to ensure all of your possessions, including fragile and delicate items, are safely stored prior to moving day. Proper packing also ensures boxes aren't overloaded or unevenly distributed. That means you and your movers won't have to deal with the bottom falling out of a box of dishware or a heavy box crumbling to the one below it on the truck. Keeping everything safe and in good working order provides a lot of peace of mind on moving day. What's more, professional packers ensure you don't have to scramble to finish packing at the last minute. That can be a big relief. Moving is simpler with professionals helping you with the process. Get in touch with Atlas today.